Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes Excel. In this video, we will learn how to increase the default number of sheets in Excel. Normally, the default number of sheets are either 3 or 1, but if you want to change the default, then you can change it by clicking on File, More, Options, General. In the General, by default, this version has number of sheets 1. You can increase it to 2 or 3 or 5. So let us say 5 and just say OK. Now once you have increased this, when you open the file, new file, what you will see is your default number of sheets has become 5. So every time you open the new sheets, you will always see that the default number of sheets are 5. So in this way, you can change the default number of sheets in Excel. Thank you very much. Keep learning, keep excelling.